Hey everybody, Chrissy here today, and I'm going to show you how to make this card. I am using pieces from the Forever 13 collection by Catherine Pooler. This is the new collection that comes out this month, or just came out this month in March. So the first thing I'm doing is I am using that adorable stencil. It's called the Star Stencil. And so I just adhered it onto a piece of the white cardstock. This is the premium cardstock from Catherine Pooler. And now I am just using a couple different ink colors to kind of blend those stars. You could use one color if you prefer. I just like the way that it looks when you kind of have a little bit of an ombre effect with multiple colors. You see here, I was using the sauna, and now I am using Tiki Torch just to kind of darken, and then it just kind of fades from the top to the bottom. So now I did not show all of this on camera, but basically I die cut this five times. So I did each color. I did the green, the yellow, the blue, the red, and then I also did the clouds in white. So you can see off to the side I have some of them. So what I did is I kept the negative from the red so I could align everything perfectly on my card. I decided where I wanted to go on my card, and then I used this to kind of help me assemble it perfectly. I mean, I don't know if I really needed it or not, but I just thought it would make my life a little bit easier just to kind of line up the bottom, because I didn't want to put, now if you put the clouds down first, it's a heck of a lot easier, I'll tell you that right now. But because I wanted to pop my clouds up and they were going to be above everything, I knew they had to go on last. So I probably made my life more difficult, but I love the way it looks and it's so fantastic. You can see I'm kind of butterfingers there. But really, this was super easy to assemble and everything. And I mean, yeah, so I die cut it a couple times. Guess what? I have all those pieces left over, and I can make 5 different rainbows now, as many times as I want here. So I kept all my pieces, so it's worth it for my future cards. It'll be super easy. So I think my daughter actually stole a couple of them already, but as I'm looking at my desk here, but I'll steal them back and I'll make more cards. So then, like I said, I knew I wanted those clouds to pop up, so I just need some 3D foam squares on there, some big ones in the middle, and then little ones on the sides, just because I was worried about it kind of sinking downward a little bit, because I knew I was going to be adding some stuff to the clouds. So then I stamped this sentiment. It says happy birthday, and it's from the Let the Good Times Roll stamp set. I stamped that in black Jack, and if you haven't seen that stamp set yet, go check it out because it's super cute. There's these roller skates on it, and it's super 80s and super fun. I just really like it, and I keep saying super. So then to finish up the card, I knew, like as I mentioned before, I added an extra adhesive on there because I knew I was going to add my sparkle marker to it, and that could kind of cause it to warp a little bit. So with that extra foam, it holds it up pretty well. I really didn't have a problem. Once everything dried, it's down a little bit there. Once it dried, it was perfect. You can see in this picture. So thank you so much for stopping by today, and have a great day.